What is the one word for extremely wicked or deeply criminal? The correct answer is heinous. What is the one word for put together out of artificial or natural components? The correct answer is fabricate. What is the one word for wealth as evidenced by sumptuous living? The correct answer is opulence. What is the one word for capable of destroying or eating away by chemical action? The correct answer is caustic. What is the one word for being of questionable authenticity? The correct answer is apocryphal. What is the one word for accessory or supplementary item of clothing? The correct answer is accoutrement. What is the one word for an exclusive circle of people with a common purpose? The correct answer is coterie. What is the one word for grow by addition? The correct answer is accrue. What is the one word for of or relating to or proceeding from the sense of touch? The correct answer is tactile. What is the one word for steal goods, take as spoils? The correct answer is pillage. What is the one word for devoted to raising sheep or cattle? The correct answer is bucolic. What is the one word for someone who demands exact conformity to rules and forms? The correct answer is martinet. What is the one word for make into a powder by breaking up or cause to become dust? The correct answer is pulverize. What is the one word for existing as an independent entity? The correct answer is autonomous. What is the one word for tending to obstruct or cause harm? The correct answer is inimical. What is the one word for not having enough money to pay for necessities? The correct answer is impecunious. What is the one word for inspiring fear? The correct answer is redoubtable. What is the one word for causing an emotional disturbance? The correct answer is disconcerting. What is the one word for corresponding in size or degree or extent? The correct answer is commensurate. What is the one word for a trite or obvious remark? The correct answer is platitude.